Hi, my name is Danielle, and today I'm going to be showing you the pop-up A banners. This is the carry case, and I'm going to be showing you what's inside of it so you can build this. Inside the carry case, you will find the 2 banners and some poles. In front of me, I have everything that was inside the carrying case. These are the banners for the pop-up frames, and you can design them any way you want. These are the rounded poles, and they are used for the corners. These are the poles that latch on to the bottom to make it stable. These are the poles that are used for the sides to make it stand upright. These are the longer poles used for the width of the banner. These are used for more support in the middle, which you can latch on to the longer width poles. These are for you to latch onto the top. As you can see, all the poles have matching numbers. You just need to latch the numbers together. This is how the overall structure should look like after you put all the numbers together. This is the 40 by 80 banner, and on the side it has a zipper for you to mount it on to the structure. It easily slides on, so you can do it, and at the end you can zip it. And now with the zipper you just pull it all the way down to close the banner. This is the medium banner, and this is how it should look when it's done being set up. It was easily assembled as deassembled. These are all the different sizes. We have 40 by 40, 40 by 80, and 40 by 120. Start by disassembling the top. You should have these 2 left over, and the flag should just fall. Pull the 2 banners from the bottom, and you should have 2 banners apart. After you unattach the structure poles, you easily unzip and unclip. So you take off the banner. It's easy as that. Just start unclipping them, and there you have it. Once you have everything unattached and taken off, it will easily fit into the carrying case. Everything should fit right in, and this is your pop-up apron.